Hi, I'm Theo Gilbert-Jamison with Performance Solutions by Design, and I'd like to take a brief moment to tell you about one of our most popular, most requested service excellence workshops. It's called Raising the Bar, Elevating the Customer Experience from Average to Extraordinary. Now, the purpose of this session is to provide participants with the skill, the knowledge, and confidence to consistently provide a high level of service. And some of the topics that we cover are things like defining service excellence, the importance of anticipating customer needs in order to exceed expectations. We talk about the language of service excellence, 11 simple ways to create customer loyalty and delight, and we even focus on finding purpose in your work and much more. Now, a key takeaway of this program is that participants walk away with a full understanding of what exceptional service should look, sound, and feel like. Now, participants for this, the targeted audience is everyone. This is a great program for people that provide a service to both internal and external customers, and that includes your frontline staff, administrative staff, support staff, even your managers and supervisors. Now, the Raising the Bar program is intended to be delivered as a half-day or full-day session that is fully customized and fully branded, but it also can be delivered as a 60 to 90-minute keynote presentation, and guess what? There's even an online course that's accessible to you. So if you are interested in learning more about our Raising the Bar workshop and how we can bring this dynamic program to your organization for your team, contact us today.